Mastering demonstrative pronouns. This and that. Hello, English learners. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of demonstrative pronouns. We'll be focusing on singular demonstrative pronouns, namely, this and that. Get ready to learn how to use these words to specify and distinguish the things you're talking about. Before we jump into our main topic, let's quickly go over what demonstrative pronouns are. Demonstrative pronouns are words that we use to point to specific things. In English, they're super important for clarity and specificity in our conversations. We've got two sets of these, singular and plural. The singular demonstrative pronouns are this and that, while the plural forms are these and those. Today's focus will be on the singular forms. The word this is a singular demonstrative pronoun that we use to refer to something that is close to the speaker, either physically or metaphorically. Here are a couple of examples. This is my book. This sounds like a great idea. In these sentences, this is used to refer to something in the immediate context, either a book in the speaker's possession or an idea that has just been discussed. On the other hand, we have that, the other singular demonstrative pronoun. That refers to something further away from the speaker, again either physically or metaphorically. Let's look at some examples. That is your book. That was a terrible mistake. In these examples, that refers to a book not in the speaker's immediate possession, or a mistake made in the past. Now, you might be wondering, how do I choose when to use this or that? It's all about distance, not just in physical terms, but also in terms of time or emotional connection. This is for something close, while that is for something further away. Remember this rule, and you'll be using this and that correctly in no time. And that's it for today's lesson on singular demonstrative pronouns. You've now mastered the usage of this and that. Don't forget this for near and that for far. Practice these in your conversations and writing. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.